at the moment we're in Yoyogi Park and we're looking for the Meiji Jingu.
This park is really peaceful and quiet. It's really beautiful as well. And you'd hear the birds.
This is my setup for today.
Master vlogger always has their equipment. I'm only using my phone. So I'm by the almighty wishing tree, where everyone just writes down their wishes and then put it by the tree and it should come true. I'm just gonna do mine now.
Good health and fortune for us.
Just gonna put my prayer on the tree now. Right. That was mine. In ancient Japanese times, a lot of sake was consumed, and here's the proof. Actually, I'm feeling a bit thirsty myself now. Just about to get another Japanese vending machine drink. Here's the options. Let's see. Which one do you want?
Oh, they gave us salad.
Gave us the wrong drink. We wanted tea's tea. Check out that crazy doorway across the road to the shopping mall. It's like it's going to take you to another dimension. This is the machine where you order your ramen. All the options are there. You just put in the cash and then press the button, and then out comes your ticket and money. Then you go over here to see what seats are available, and then you go to your seat and then you'll be served by one of the chefs. Ichiran ramen. I just ordered from the machine and then you have to fill in this form, but it was all in Japanese. So I just went on the internet and found a cheat sheet. Well, my sister did. And we just used the English version from that. Now I'm just waiting for my ramen. So my noodles have arrived. Look at that. Ooh. It does look a bit spicy though. Ready. In Japan, when you're eating noodles, it's polite to slurp. On the other side.
So where it says kanju.
What did you get, Sandra?
Japanese cool.
We're at Coco Ichiban and Sandra has ordered
Tonkotsu curry.
and I have ordered chicken capsule curry. It looks delicious, but I also got some fries.
Just like fries.
I just wanted to try Japanese fries, okay? So I found this shop and they've got over 500 capsule games. I've been playing quite a few of them to get a few toys. Gotta crouch down for it. I'm gonna win my cousin her favorite toy. Hatsumiku. Hatsumiku. This one. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Oh.
Did you actually get it?
Actually got it.
Yeah.
Open it. Yeah, I actually got her the one that she wanted.